Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this account not in this store on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. On the first step, we have to launch App Store and tap on your profile icon and tap on your profile name. Now put your Apple ID password and tap sign in. After that we have to tap on country origin, and on next page tap again change country origin. Now select the country like UK, USA or Australia. I'm going to select Australia. Now tap agree and tap agree. Payment method, select none and fill this billing address. Now put any phone number, tap next. Tap done. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.